Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 13th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Palantir closed down 45 cents. That's 1.71%. We closed at 25.83. Post-market, we seem to be down by 5 cents. So let's look at the damage that we had. Last Friday, we tried to get out of this resistance, and this is what gave us the idea to put this resistance there, because this is the candle that we had on Friday. So this made it clear that this is a downward channel. It takes 2 points to make a line. This was the second point. So we touched resistance, and now we have touched support. We have a long wick at the bottom, so buying pressure, but we closed down, we closed lower than what we opened at. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. This is the 9:30 candle. So this pretty much looks like what happened in Tesla. So Tesla had also a big red candle during the first hour with the significant volume, and then the stock recovered. The stock recovered. Here on Palantir, we recovered almost completely. But then look at this stochastic at 48. Stochastic is not super strong, so this recovery is weak in my opinion. It's not for sure that we are going back to the resistance again. Let's go back to the daily chart, because we are still quite close to that resistance. It's not impossible that we go back up, but I think it's all a probability thing. Everything is a probability. So I think the probabilities are higher that we are going to retest that a little bit more. And looking at stochastic, I would tend to think so again. At 67, so this is really coming down. What else? Yeah, MACD broke bearish. This is another indication that maybe, I'm just trying to remove this. We need to get rid of this and put our one thumb down, a red thumb down. And DMI, wow, DMI took a beating here. So look at the distance between the green line and red line, expressing the bullishness and the bearishness of the stock getting close together. So to me, we are going to retest maybe 25. After that, what should happen is that we are going to do this and then go back towards 24.42, or we could stay towards 25 around here. This is what I see so far with Palantir. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. You can become a member of the channel. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.